Over 4 billion naira has been spent on procuring starter packs for 194 youth trained on smartphone repair in Adamawa State under its N-Skils. The Minister of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development, Sadiya Umar Farouk, disclosed this at the graduation ceremony of the 194 youth. Correspondent Owolabi Adenusi filed in this report.
Recent data released by the National Bureau of Statistics in 2022 shows that unemployment among young Nigerians within ages of 15 to 34 years stand at 21.72 million, or 42.5% of the 29.94 young Nigerians, while national unemployment rate stood at 33.3%. The high rate of unemployment has been of concern to government at all levels, who, despite its pledge to take 100 million youths out of the street, has been largely unsuccessful. At this all, are the new batch of the graduates who have undergone training of smartphone repair initiated by the federal government to reduce poverty among the teeming youths. President Buhari gave approval for the expansion of the NSIP for the youth of Adamawa State. Its aim is to provide job opportunity for another 11,223 youths after successfully exiting 15,825 youths under the batch A and B. The minister is represented by the National Coordinator of the National Social Investment Programs, NSIP, Dr. Umar Buba Binde, at this event. He insists that the program is on course to lift 100 million Nigerians out of poverty in the next 10 years.
So it means even solving the poverty. If you don't solve poverty amongst young people, there is a big problem. So it is in this vice that the president said, National Social Investment Program, go and concentrate on young people. Work hard on young people. Open the eyes of Nigeria's young people.
The beneficiaries commend the federal government for the initiative, believing it will add value to their societal growth.
We'll make sure that with these skills that we have acquired, we'll be able to gain something that you people will come at last and say, thank you.
The trainees will undergo another 6 months of informal apprenticeship to be supervised by master agents in the state. They will be properly supervised to remove unserious ones from the list during the apprenticeship training.